banta babi baba moko mom das bi bay babu moko mom kontaan na xoli sedana ku nekk America ñu set ku nekk Sweden ñu xool ku nekk Germany ñu xool
buy army my général bi at call me Macky Sall toj Gambie toj Sénégal Choice Africa TV is your boy by Babu Kalko check ko proud Gambian word
andi ngolon okay ko min good to go haray ko on to mi woni darde so na woko Choice Africa TV ko to mi woni darde to memu bouton on to yahu haynok son waday ko son waday so memay bouton ko beydugol volume sina dum acce don Choice Africa TV e don andi ka aduna fo
they give their thing and wow.
True that, yeah. You know, them show nyan DJ bi benga be show bi je do perform. It happened to me, you know. Right. And then after that show, you know, these are all things that motivated me to prove people wrong. That's why most of my lyrics then they like come and take them by surprise. You know, come.
Okay.
All of the time.
Give me that take them by surprise. I'm a man deguma lol. Johlo mom cassette.
Take them by surprise, heights, take over, I fly sky. Get up, look up, chill up, see that them are fries, nice. Element of surprise, nice. Say me, them a fight, why? Mother them, satter them, laugh at them, and I win the prize, nice. Overshadow every man, me a win, I'm in a key, and I go for me strong like a pillar. Jack choose me, use me, one push me, so me not gonna ever for the nothing. Anything we do, let them feel like I'm not in the barriers, wicked singer. Zero the hero, man, a champion, I win, I'm in a gorilla. 10 step by 8, I conquer. God is the reason I won't slumber. I am dangerous like roaring thunder. Call me the warrior, no man a conqueror. Kufuna to God be the glory.
Kufuna, you know an artist called Pinchas?
Pinchas? Not really.
You need to check Pinchas because your flow got the Pinchas flow.
Really?
Pinchas is a singer. He sing and he also DJ.
Just like me.
Yeah, Bandy Lero. You know that artist? Yeah. Leroy come to Bandy. You know, Leroy, you know, living like a Leroy. Your name is Bandy Leroy, you know.
I'll Google him. And
yeah, Pinchas is heavy, man. It's heavy. So, go on.
So the thing go on, and then, you know, I felt that, okay, I need to prove these people wrong. You know, and that's exactly what I did. But I didn't do it alone. I did it with God and the people that God blessed me with. You know, like the team that I started with is a team that I am working with still.
But he's a star too. We come to his show too. His big bodyguard was there. No, bro, no interview with the elect. He said, no, the guy is going on stage. The bodyguard was going on. No, you cannot interview him. So Silky has to come and say, please, parallel. This is Makoto line. So Lumbo CEO is a star too, you know. Yeah.
I'm just trying.
No, it's good. It's good for you guys to content like that.
Yeah, just to add up some few words to that. Just to motivate like these upcomings that are coming. Don't let nothing
to stop you.
Nothing at all to demotivate you. Yeah, like everything that you feel that is weighing you down, brother, man, sister, I'm begging you, I'll just see that in motivation and then work hard to overcome it. That is the spirit. Always try to overcome it. No matter what.
Silky, can Molode produce? Your time after J Life, can Molode produce? Who pays your recordings and so on? Is it yourself or your management?
Okay.
Or you have a production team? Or
I have a company, Realm Silky.
Realm Silky?
Realm Silky. Yeah.
Realm?
Realm.
Or?
Yeah, Realm as a word, like R-E-A-L.
Okay, Realm Silky. All right.
You know, yeah, I have a company, a manager, like a media manager, marketing manager, you know, financial man, everything. You know what I mean? And then these are the people that I started with. Like
But you see, this is why the guy feel up Jam Mahal, the first reggae artist that fill up Jam Mahal.
Yeah, and then
sponsor be siare me contact ko.
Alaji, na cool
na some set of yalo basa fe la le for sponsor.
I'm cool for yes, the boy. Say the fly bin na sponsor ko because the fly
proposal is on the way.
Mon tra chano la.
Yeah,
tato sa fe le.
My proposal is on the way.
Katato ya improve.
I
have to see Mighty Joe. I have to see Silky.
Yes.
I have to see ST.
Yes.
And you too.
Yes.
I'm coming.
No, ST and ST too go and see him. But Silky.
I'm not seeing him.
danga ñëw nga fekk ko for dem fale bobo is sa wërsëg.
Yeah, man.
Now he's coming to you nga sponsor ka.
This
This is gonna be a good one.
We're gonna turn the equation, yeah? Not that way. It's the other way around. You know what I mean?
Okay, you're gonna be like a susu. Soon you can get def ko. So come so you get
Well, okay, I have an upcoming project on the way, like a very big one. So
Right.
I'll come to you.
Right. Lura, we have this other thing here. RTC. Then Finecon. You bari. You know, radio DJs don't give them enough air times. We have radio DJs and tomorrow is radio DJs ñu ñëwaat. Radio DJs ñu ne léegi yenn producers yi doo leen dee give them a good bit. Dañ ko dee ross. I know you cannot answer to all the producers, but you can talk about your own one. Waaye Silky tamit yaa ngi fii Rankin yaa ngi fii Balarangs yéen a ngi fii ndax radio yi ka la music go play at a real time or enough time ani munomal munata na DJ bu ga la music play back to la miralo ani why ka play back.
Well, odiamo mansia.
Amansia.
You know, yalong kom ndenga ko gilna je that is like job and ambijele.
But why like alcohol?
Okay, yeah, you're right.
Déglo ko.
Oy acha ari.
Okay.
Afami, oy.
Okay, come ko la kom. It's very simple. And sometimes say andari atawa no tawa gol like tawa gol lugol. Because awata force to go do promote. You understand? Te tawi golle ma den hewtani on stage ma nanta awata wade promote. Te kadi non kadi awata kadi tokkude goddo wala ma goddum ko anda ko annyaaki kadi. But come mi fara wode like it's affaire on sometimes whom you know no ton kadi. And then but the most important thing is like media on hore mako comme la Gambia music on no foti stage mo foti no hewdude on comme level mo foti hewdude on media on promotion on ala okudemo on level kudu wadi ha sandari much of the shows so promotion sandari hitike mo jobi sota ko more foreign music bura wade de mo consider high Gambian music because I take radio maybe ko joni sa boyaji di fuddi wade involved into this foreign into this Gambian world correct, you know. It's like affair on is not a goal gongol te no tawa kadi appreciation on awata wate force goddo program promote awata wate
ko wata promoter or ko wata presenter.
Yeah, presenter a promoter. You understand? Come radio presenters can you passion about promote kadi fogo dal fogo team go don woni golle go te be joki. You understand? So go wadi mi do wala fim e come for. But the most important thing is like no tawa golle de kono kambe kadi wata about the music industry on to that level. And it come promoter ben kadi the sai be adai foreign artists be ara they consider come home artists on do promotion wala yawda. So sandari tawi dal foko media on woni. Understand? The producer ben kadi no foti wadde improve kam kadi golle mabbe. You understand? It's all the same foko the same umbrella woni. When foko umbrella go woni. There must be a good product. And before good product we must have good producers. And there must be good promotion. You understand? Have good promotional media. So info daraki correctly. We simply mean that after not elab. We have to start working professionally. You understand? Okay, and then we have good producers. You understand? But like sometimes much of them start they decide like what do goal bag up. Understand? They start saying boy bagasi demo, and they start slumbering like because there is not receiving what they expecting, and because the artists are not getting what they're expecting. You know what I mean? So affair on so ala arde is the same money, so you cannot go for high production.
I'm not kufi wata mana yen artist legally da just artist manager mbeko de upper halis or artist promoter mbeko de upper halis. Mana ko nakala mana ye da just artist romba mu dem promoter bi mu ngi drive motor, artist is not driving motor.
Yeah, because
it happens, but that's not a big deal. Like, it happens everywhere in the world, even in Nigeria or America. Managers are well connected. These are not small people.
This is it.
You know what I mean? So like people shouldn't take it that way. It doesn't work like that.
Sure.
You know, most of the time like it's the manager that invests in the artist.
Yeah.
You know, because he's involved into so many things.
Yes.
You know, investment is very important. Most of these managers invested in so many other things. You know. So it's all good.
Mr. Chan.
Yeah.
This is
including Ayatul Mabakal. No, it isn't
yeah, like the problem of that side is like we have a huge problem on that side. Like
depuis artistes yi ñun buñ dooree di am radio shows comme like ma host benn programme West Coast
ok waaw
Gambian music xam nga si la problème bi start understand si la neglection bi start comme like da ngaa gis man ma génnee song bi even su nekkee ne mu ngi am 100,000 viewers YouTube da ngaa ñëw si town bi doo dégga kenn ku ko dégga understand nga ma damaa defar vidéo maybe like dafa am maybe like good viewers on YouTube but soo ñëwee on radios you don't hear them play like side boobu noonu dafa am problème bu mag bu fa nekk moo tax nga gis ne sax léegi controverse baa ngi bëri ñu ni neen ñun artistes yi understand nga ma because of da ngaa gis ne like soo amee sa radio show man su nekkee rek like man maa ngi host suma radio show léegi ma def ko ultimate record radio show stylist su andee product am ma gis ne stylist ma ko fa promoté duma am maybe la faa jël suma client yi kon duma promote stylist product am understand nga comme like Gambian music industry bi dafa nekk si level bu nga xamante ne nii dafa am lu bëri lu
non yow li nga fi wax tey wala li nga fi wax tey dafa very make sense
industry bi foofu la doon
DJs
problème bi foofu la starté you know
imaginal if artist became a radio presenter they will not play all
imaginal time bu DJ moo doon promote Gambian music dëgg la artiste bi su joobee daf ko dee promote but artiste su joogut there is no way DJ moo play ko understand nga
that is
example of me man suma problème ak ENC loolu la man duma ko dee ñaaka wax fenn fu ma dem dama ko dee wax man ENC suma real waay la woon xam nga fu ma la xee nii ñun ñoo start grind from the beginning ñun ñoo start grind comme soo déggee dansal karab nii after moom money nii bu amee radio show am bi West Coast ENC was playing my songs top 5 artistes yu mu dee promote si week bi te every week dama ko dee jox songs xam nga waxuma artistes yeneen artistes yi comme ñu ma dee produce de maybe like ñooñu suñu perfectut damaa wax ne yee dëgg la man ñoom A2 yëpp man maa njëkkaa jox A2 songi A2 ENC mu ko promote understand nga ma produce about 6 to 7 songs si A2 fekk time A2 ñu waangul combo sax mu ngi base understand nga A2 mu ngi base man maa daan andi sound sam mi di ko travel di ko andi ba fii gars yi di ko promote ñoom DJ King Mass ñoom Fabulous ñoom G-Fall ñoom kii nii léegi soo demee ba si level bu nga xamante ne nii nga stop di play man suma songs yi nga stop di play suma products yi waaye si yow yaa ngi doon play suma products yi there is a problem there is a personal problem
that is true yes
your same radio show was playing my songs tey yaa ngi ma doon play yaa ngi ma doon promote every day yaa ngi wax si man nga jékki-jékki rek nga stop di play suma product completely
and is bad product or the same
waxuma la bad product bi sax su nekkee ne
am nga comme nit ñi ñuy seetaan want to know
léegi comme dama expliqué dama la wax wax bi mooy ne yaa ngi doon play suma songs yi ba pare yaa ngi ma doon top 5 top artistes yoo doon promote every week every week ba dama dee mën a dem si sa playlist bi sa number 1 understand nga soo stoppé man waxuma ñeneen promoter yi de man ñeneen promoter ak yeneen DJ man I don't have problem with them because of comme looy wax ni ranki loo leen a wax ni is dëgg la Silke Chris soo gisee tey mu àgga fu mu àgga xëy na man surtout ma side musical career dancehall career àgguma fa it's because of his comme effort bu mu def si music career lu moo eewu every day di dem beach di yóbbu di train voice am bi di treat voice am bi moom moo ko jox level boobu noonu understand nga ma keneen ak keneen su defee loolu dafa am good song like Silke because music duy caaxaan duy naxe soo joobee lu correct artistes yi comme fans yi soo ko play fans yi dañ ko dee live but in an other way round tamit am na ñoo xamante ne ñu ngi job lu correct doo mun a wax ñëpp am na ñuy job lu correct tey su ma ndóo bi Skywalker soo ko jëlee si dancehall artist yi fii Gambia ñuy jóg there is no upcoming dancehall artist that is good better than that little boy Skywalker, that little boy.
Skywalker, watching what that name? I've never seen him. Skywalker. If you
go on YouTube, he has over 200,000 viewers nowadays.
Okay.
But those songs are not
Silky he rated.
Yeah.
So
there is none of his songs playing on the radio. There is no radio so by them fee Gambia. So do King Mass and Fabulous and some DJs. understand of ma lay xëy nii man dafa am play waaw dafa am yenn radio show yu nga xamante ne sax man suma product léegi dafa day play
waaw
suma product sax
tell us ban radio show
suma
just be frank
soo dégluwee Kano déglu Kano
DJ Kano
full Kano du play suma song da ngaa déglu ENC du play suma product da ngaa déglu Sister Ndiaye du play suma product dafa bëri
waaye lu tax
that is the question
hey boy bring my phone please
understand that is the question
live leen
that is the question déglu ma la gis nga man dama bëri problème si industrie bi te man nekkuma
man la laa believe
man
yow mën naa la hate but sa product su baaxee ñu play la
yow man dama nekk ko xamante ne nii dama yaaga grind soo waxee studio bu baax fii Gambia soo demee soo googlee studios
waaw
man dama dee google every day dama dee update suma boppa si lu may def soo googlee studio Gambia fii
waaw
nga war a google nga war a compare standard studio yi Gambia fii soo waxee standard studio Gambia fii soo waree jël suñu musique bi nga war koo dem yóbbu si plateforme there is no music bi nga xamante ne nii dafa mun a fit understand nga ma soo waxee into studio standard studio setting standard amul benn studio bu fi am standard boobu noonu bu ko fii studio yoo fi dee gis yëpp dañ dee amee seen Apple computer su demee ba dem Apple desktop leen dee am ak seen Logic ñuy produce they use send plugins ak Pro Tools understand send Pro Tools doo dee gis this very rare xanaa fii Alliance Franco da nga dee gis ñoo xamante ne ñu ngay use that big mixers understand ñun yëpp we are doing the tutorials of Cubase understand ma dégg la oppalante leen lii nii oppalante leen xam-xam oppalante leen skills on what we are doing but right now si industry bi if you talk about ultimate right now my thing is on the map understand nga man dama am problème bu baax a baax soo gisee even ma call la yow personally yow ma call la pour nga andi ma si sa plateforme bi understand nga andi ma si sa plateforme bi it's because of man dama am blockage on promotional side dafa am products yu bëri yu ma dee génnee dañ dee jar pour promote but there is no way for me to have that gate pour ma mun ko woniti soo demee suma YouTube bi dama dugal vidéo less than 2 months mu am like even 10,000 viewers da nga dee cappa nit yi ñu download ko di ko uploadaat seen channel si di ko reshare but when you come to the radio you don't hear them you don't see them
no that's serious now bro that is a serious matter
internationally nit yaa ngi travel Rebellion daf dee ñëw fii même fa lay jobal videos nit yaa ngi travel ñu ngay jógee Europe soo gisee ma mun a jëndal lii ma mun a maa jox GH4 Panasonic 4K it's because of the quality I'm doing
li nga wax mu ngi nii waat waaye big and serious lu ma wax fii nii so serious
it's because soo ko gisee may mun a jënd bagage yu noonu comme dañ ma nekk di ma fay baax international understand nga ma man fu mu nekk nii all the contacts I'm having are all international contacts there is no Gambian artist there are just little Gambian artists ñu ma lay job baax ñu ma leen a jobal but all the contacts I'm having, even Born African lastly, Born African Nyak Bobu Nono, he paid more than 12 videos, more than $40,000 is la mojo. Pour mo jobal ko te koku mu ngi Belgium. Understand nga? If that one is recommending mu ngi recommend suma job outside the Gambia. Why ana ñoo xamanteni ñu ngi present fii this little prisoners nga xamanteni man maa leen ëppa even experience industry bi xam nga xam laa ni am na radio presenter yu bëri DJ yu bëri nga xamanteni soo demee si radio bi sax nu ñoo use virtual DJ sax you don't even know how to arrange a virtual DJ or arrange your songs understand nga ma ñooñu suñu war a toog si radio bi di war a play Gambian music di ko promote xam nga loolu dafa difficult pour ñun artistes yi ñu mun a àgga si level bu ñoo àgga xam nga xam laa ni there are a lot of problems you embark Gambian music bi xam nga man personally I have a problem on it but léegi man du ma dee faale because xam nga li xew man yàlla daf ma bless lu nga xamante ne nii without ñoom man I'm doing my things man I don't need fame in what I'm doing nii duma publicity right now nii duma fame nii duma di wax ne raa gisoon nañ ko fii la anniversary gisoon nañ ko man I'm doing music because of me and for the people that are in my country man maa ngi defal music pour suma Gambian flag bi ak nit yu nekk suma dëkk bi ñoonu lay liggéeyal understand nga ma ñooñu suñu apprécié lu may def rek faale waa ngi yow ngay Lamin Cham nga nekk presenter promote loo ma dafa difficult laajal sa bopp how many years me in the industry
it's sad
ba léegi mënuma produce a mixtape because of what promotion. xam nga ni nekkul ne awma songs. nekkul ne awma songs mu nekkul ne awma good songs nekkul ne awma.
Yeah, I feel what the brother is saying.
If I open my laptop for you here,
it's like
so I open my laptop bi fii. There are a lot of things that I'm doing right now. There are a lot of things you might kii vidéo am bi dafa dem ba Guinée. Vidéo am bi def na ba Mali. dem na ñu ngi ko play DSS. Dimbu. xam nga ma ni but those videos you will never see them on their platforms. Maybe nu ma nekkee xale la maa ngi grind maa ngi tuddee sama bopp ultimate media karab ndóo bi xam nga ndaw bii nii comme dafa bëgg a karab that is not the thing. nit ku nekk dafa am loo bëgga kenn warul laa discriminer mbaate mu laa lii nii comme teg lii nii mu laa déggaat si loo bëgga man waxuma la ne bul nekk producer waxuma la ne bul nekk media man but if you see me comme ñu bari ñu ngi fi comme dañ leen dee grind dañ leen dee uplift but I don't see nothing on A2B in the dancehall king or reggae dancehall king su nekkee ne people yaa ko crown I don't see nothing sirki mu ngi nii lu ma ko doon tooñee loncinam bi dem naa fa xam nga dama over feel good about it.
No, we don't go ahead and
dama feel good a reggae dancehall artist achieving
that. Yes.
Nga ma ni it's a success to me as a dancehall artist.
Waaye bu xelal mbokam yi dañ ñëw de. mbokam yi dañ ñëw. Lum la wax mbokam yi dañ ñëw because maa ngi remember this quiet thing, you know.
Mooy support bi.
Yeah, Charleston ak gars yooyu yëpp I saw them helping the kind of thing. You know, quiet him help. They contributed a lot. They contributed.
It's like Mungawa 2 years back, 3 years back, my production was kind of, you know, I was coming up because of the sound card I was using there. They got a man sound card no use
But he still makes.
But right now,
tunes,
so
legi ban product again, ban tune again.
Right now, I'm working on the Sunset Rhythm. You know, it's a nationwide rhythm. You know, which is about to be.
Balalo ban recent song I want to feel this because definitely you touch something in
me. Right now, if you Google me,
touch me something in
try and Google me.
Hold on. I'm not gonna want to Google touch na aduna. I'm not kuma yoni WhatsApp de. Google touch na aduna. You know, you know, I'm not ham kudem for fair dal. I hear the WhatsApp. I don't want to listen to it. Is this koto ide ka fare? You know, Google touch na aduna legi. You know, I'm a fallen them. You know, nelen ko Google. Buin ko Google lulen. I don't know. I'll listen to it properly. Why? Let me say recent song bo hamne mun nga ñu ko wax fini. Because man mom elect I have DJs here. Dama de every Tuesday DJs la de am legi. Banta ba ka ca non la. Monday, Wednesday, Thursday artists. Tuesday bu nekk ñoom tam ñu ñëw wax si fii DJ si wax ne wax ju bari so moo tax lu ñëw wax fii nii one day we're gonna make something bigger than this and we'll really bring more stuff and then day boobu xam naa dina tough.
What was your question?
No pour moom no lu suma question
I have a question
for him. Yeah that's very good di nga ko laate waaye lu la ban song nga génne balaa di least past 3 months or 6 months ban song nga génne.
Right now if you go on my YouTube channel, maa ngi génne feedback rhythm medley.
Wow.
Video medley la like ñun Ultimate Empire bi ñoo fa nekk. maa ngi génne.
How many artists on that
like
song? Four artists. It's
a video medley with songs. Like dama ko dee upload foofu noonu because like dama dee am problem with that promotion. So dama ko dee upload foofu ma siyaa ko suma WhatsApp link si then ma travel songs yi mu dem up. Understand? Suma marketing yëpp léegi saa si up bi laa ko base. soo demee léegi nii
we will do that.
Lula comme like man I don't have any personal feeling with anybody. Man koo fi andi mun naa koo face.
Waaw
understand nga dama koo laajte lu tax yow doo dee place ma product.
Non loolu lañ bëgg a
because xam nga la moo nekk problème bi xam nga la moo nekk problème bi. Sometimes it's not that much personal. It's not matter of ne comme like su nekkoon ne
hold on am na lu DJ si wax fi sorry bu ma nekk DJ si ne léegi yéen artistes yi da ngeen dee jël rek WhatsApp som bi boom nga yónnee ko Balarance my new song do am hello how are you sa na nga def my new song straight away.
The question to that too.
Wow.
I will also ask them.
No, well, Harold, dinga wa. Harold, madama do key example. Oh, you know what? léegi-léeg nga toog rek you know yónni leen my mixtape launching du am hello how are you du am na nga def sax so they dem respect them mbaa loolu nekkul sa saay
non man like personally
waaw
dafa am
yow ñu doon tàmbali this guy have a big story to say
yes I'm hearing.
So it as a little promoter, why become more promote? Why you don't promote? No, I feel like I some mamuntol. I got some sifo.
Yeah, sure.
No, he's promoting him though. Because he said that he took him to Sifo, right?
Yeah. Oh man, this is sad.
They envy me, because they don't want me to be richer than
you. Are Sabara, you look like Sabara, so you know what I mean?
Ultimate boss.
This small doma.
Yes, I'll be there.
Yeah, I think I just only introduce more Lamoka. So, do you
like the farm here DJ?
Do you take the music? Hold on. Do you take it direct to them? No, rural Haral. Do you take the music direct to them, or you email it to them, or you WhatsApp it to them? Don't do for them because legi to your listening, they know them even dig into that.
For the last 6 months. Wow. For the last 6 months.
Right.